Russian Sukhoi Su-57 aircraft. Sukhoi Su-57. National origin, Russia. Role, stealth air superiority fighter. Manufacturer, Komsomolsk-on-Amur aircraft plant Sukhoi. Performance. Maximum speed, 2,120 km per hour. Range, 3,500 km. Supersonic range, 1,500 km. Service ceiling, 66,000 feet. Power plant. Powered by, 2 Saturn AL-41F1, initial production, turbofans with thrust vectoring, 93.1 kN thrust each dry, 147.2 kN with afterburner. Powered by, 2 ISDA-30, in development, turbofans with thrust vectoring, 107.9 kN thrust each dry, 176.6 kN with afterburner. Armament. Air-to-air missiles. R-37 air-to-air missile. R-73 air-to-air missile. R-77 air-to-air missile. Air-to-surface missiles. KH-38ME air-to-surface missile. KH-59 Mk2 air-to-surface missile. Armament. Anti-ship missile. KH-35E anti-ship missile. Anti-radiation missile. KH-58 USHKE anti-radiation missile. Avionics. SH-121 multifunctional integrated radio-electronic system, Myers. Vielka radar, 400 km, 60 tracks with 16 targeted. An-036 101 frontal X-band active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar. An-036B 101 cheek X-band AESA radars for increased angular coverage. An-036L 101 slat L-band arrays for IFF identification friend or foe. L-402 Himalayas electronic countermeasure suite. Avionics. 101 KS Atoll electro-optical targeting system. 101 KSO laser directional infrared countermeasures. 101 KSV infrared search and track. 101 KSU ultraviolet missile approach warning system. 101 KSN advanced stabilized navigation and targeting system. 101 KSN optional external targeting pod. 101 KSP thermal imager for low altitude flying and night landing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.